this is my home, and we exit and do, and here I kept my shoes, and here some books we keep here, Rapidex or something, books, and here are all our clothes. We don't have cupboard or something in small house. The biggest thing in my life is becoming self-conscious, but I am trying my best to be confident. Every night I write, I am not self-conscious, I am always confident. I am not self-conscious, I have confidence. I have confidence in me. I can do everything. I am not self-conscious.